People, I'm going to be installing some parts on the FD today. I got some seat rails from StreetFaction. These were actually on clearance because of a cut defect, I guess. Maybe those. But they were cheaper than buying them brand new with powder coat and everything, so I was like, might as well. I needed to change my seating arrangement on the FD anyway, so here we are. I believe I have the GarageStar ones on now, and I have the Sparko grid seat. My problem is that I sit too, I guess, straight up. So it's like basically 90 degrees when I'm in there, and then I'm kind of limited on going far back because there's the space back there. But, and then yeah, that's about it. So hopefully these new StreetFaction ones work really well. Alright, so I got the whole seat out. Pretty easy, easier than I guess taking off the 4 bolts that hold the seat to the brackets. And then right now would be a good time to vacuum the car, but I don't have a vacuum right now, so ripperoons. And yeah, I'm just gonna take the seat off now, the rails, or actually try to mount the rails onto the car first and see how they fit. Okay, so they fit perfectly the way they came, which I'm happy about, and I just hand tightened it right now just to see how much space I have in between each two. And then yeah, so I'll get the seat off those old rails and then put it on here and then throw it in the car and see how it feels. Okay, so I successfully mounted the seat to the bracket and it's all tied down, but the way it's sitting now, and I just tried it out, it's better than before, but it still needs a little bit of correcting. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the setting that it is at now from the front. I'll move it up 1 and then it'll lean it more back. And then I think that'll make it perfect for me. Okay, so I've now finished the install. So this is my settings that I set it at. And then the seat sits perfect now, in correlation with the steering wheel, and all the pedals I feel perfectly like how it should be. So yeah, thank you StreetFaction